G'day!
Hey, how's it going? This morning we are heading from Bequia to the Tobago Cays. We are trying to catch up with our convoy because one of the sailboats has a young child with a birthday today. So we're all having a get together and we're hoping to celebrate young Santi's, how old is he turning? Like 8? 8, the big 8.
Yeah, so we're gonna have a birthday party, birthday barbecue on the beach. We might be a little bit late because we had to go into town and buy some gas and petrol. And now we're ready to set sail.
We are ready to go. Slowly but surely the Caribbean is opening up. Antigua opened up today, Aruba opened up a couple weeks ago. There are a few places opening up, but for now we are still just happy to just chill in the Grenadines, aren't we? St. Vincent and the Grenadines have been really choice for us. Exploring St. Vincent last week and just
incredible.
Unreal experience. And
now we need some time to just relax, just absorb everything, take it all in, and yeah. Sometimes when we disconnect the snubber or the rope that takes the weight of the boat on anchor, the D-shackle get jammed and requires a tool to unshackle it.
We've just turned a corner around the west side of Bequia and we're at a beam and we are flying. We went from going about 3.5, 4 knots downwind and now we're up to 6 knots going across the wind, which is fantastic. So good. What are you doing?
Just very sticky. I want to go for a little swim. Sailing swim.
Sailing swim? When's the last time you did this? It's been a while.
Well, you actually dropped one of the cushions a couple of weeks ago when we were sailing, remember
That's
that?
right.
And I had to jump in.
That's right.
But yeah, last time was the proper last time I think was over the crossing, the Atlantic crossing.
It's just always been too hectic, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Now it's finally calmed down because we're heading into summer.
Yeah. So I'm trying to keep up with the boat. I'm a quick swimmer, so maybe I'll swim too.
Not that quick.
You know, we'll see each other in a couple of weeks when you come back to Bequia to start off with something. Alright?
I think I won't come back.
Bye.
Go on, swim.
I'm wearing sunblock, so I'm super slippery. Oh, so good.
I thought you were going to swim and try and beat the boat. Catch up with the boat.
Oh.
Oh. That's not swimming! no, you got to do breaststroke. There you go. No, that's definitely a fail. Isabelle here can definitely not swim as fast as Merewether.
Okay. Merewether got this one.
Merewether won?
That was a close one, wasn't it?
Close what?
Close call. That would be you.
A lot, isn't it? Heck of a lot.
Just super happy. We saw 30 dolphins just swim alongside the boat, I think for almost an hour, 45 minutes. And of course, I was at the bow the whole time. It is just unreal. And we had a teeny tiny baby too, the smallest dolphin I've ever seen. The sail was very nice. We are having a little bit of trouble with the autopilot, so it's struggling a little bit. We had to hand steer a little bit now. Oh no, Kieran's back at the helm. We just had a 45 minutes of the autopilot going. Wind was quite calm, it was 15 knots and not a lot of swell, which is always very good in my book. And now we're just trucking up to the Cays and we're gonna go and be reunited with our fellow convoy and have some beer, have some birthday barbecue, and yeah, just a good time. Hey there, Captain.
Hey. Hey, beautiful girl.
How you traveling?
I am traveling at 5.5 knots, quite nicely. And we have 16 minutes to our destination.
Ooh.
Quite nice.
How's your sail?
Yeah, not too bad. We've got a few little kinks with the autopilot, but we know it's just a power issue, so we're just working some kinks out on our sail, but most of the whole sail's been around 5 knots and there's not much waves, just cruising. So, and we're just getting into shallow water now, so I've got to keep an eye on this.
Do that.
Arriving at Tobago Cays felt like coming home for us. This is our 4th time cruising into the crystal waters, and to have our lockdown family here made it all that much more special. And we have made it into Tobago Cays. It is a fantastic little anchorage. All our friends are here. We are right now just going to head over and have a drink and some food with our friends on the beach. And we're going to take the camera this time, aren't we? So
Birthday party on the beach.
Birthday party on the beach.
And you're invited.
And you guys are invited in paradise. So this is Somni, this is Makushla, this is Vinvendi, this is Wild Thing, right over there, if you can see it, that is Sol. So, a bit of a little convoy we got going on. We meet up like once every couple of weeks in the Grenadines just because we got nowhere else to go.
Oh, the kids are up there. What happened to you?
I cut my finger.
How many stitches?
Only 3.
Oh, okay.
Aww.
Come on, you got to catch up with me. I got 6. I got 6. You got 3 more to go.
No, but you only had to stay out of the water 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. Thank you for coming.
So Isabelle and I just got the GoPro working recently. I had a fiddle around, tried to charge it again, and we got it half working, so we're happy about that. And we're gonna go for a swim and see if it's still waterproof. So if it is still waterproof, you'll be seeing that footage very soon. If it's not still waterproof and it lets all the water in, well then you might hear a few swear words from me this afternoon.
Finally being able to film in the stunning marine park meant the world to us. Capturing all the nature on film had been a goal of ours ever since we arrived to St. Vincent and the Grenadines 2 months ago.